In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable top results from Outlook Search. Let's dive right in and simplify your inbox experience by focusing on displaying results in a more streamlined manner. First, open Microsoft Outlook and ensure you are logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, you will need to click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. After that, enter your email address and password into the provided fields. Take care to enter your credentials accurately, as this ensures that you gain access to all necessary features without any hiccups. Once you're successfully logged into your Outlook account, it's time to head over to the settings. Look towards the top right of your screen, where you will find a gear icon representing the settings menu. Click on this icon. This action will trigger a drop-down menu with various options for personalizing your Outlook experience. In the drop-down menu, select General, which will open up a new set of options for you. This section allows you to modify basic settings across your Outlook account to suit your preferences. Of particular interest today is the Search option within the General settings. Click on Search to access the Search functionality settings. Here, you'll find an option labeled Show Top 3 Most Relevant Results. This feature is currently responsible for organizing your search results by what Outlook considers your most relevant information. While this might be helpful for some, it can lead to missing out on important or recent emails due to prioritization. To disable this feature, simply uncheck the box. This will allow your search results to appear in a more straightforward sequence, likely organized chronologically. Finally, after making these changes, don't forget to click on the Save button. This is absolutely crucial to ensure your settings are updated and the changes take effect immediately. By saving your changes, you ensure that the top results feature is disabled and your future searches will display in a format that suits your needs best. With these simple steps, you've successfully fine-tuned your Outlook search settings. Disabling top results offers more control over how you view and manage your emails, helping you stay on top of all necessary communications. We hope this guide has been helpful in optimizing your Microsoft Outlook experience, aligning it more closely with your personal preferences or workflow needs. Thank you for watching this instructional video on how to disable top results from Outlook Search. Be sure to subscribe and keep an eye out for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital productivity and streamline your online tasks. Until next time.